Hey guys, it's Courtney King here with King Realty and Management. I am back on social media. I took a 1-week break, and I've got to admit, if you guys have never done that, try it. It's like life-changing in my opinion, because social media can bog us down a little bit. But anyway, I am back, and if you saw one of my previous posts earlier today, I was shooting a TV show for a pretty big television network, and I'm super excited to share it with you. I don't have all the details just yet, but I will be sharing it once it's closer to the air date. So stay tuned for that. One of the biggest things that we're working on right now, because we're about to be in fourth quarter and we really want to finish the year off strong, and that is expansion. So we are expanding into the Houston market, specifically because Houston is big. So let me back up. Specifically the Fort Bend County section of the Houston area. So Missouri City, parts of Sugar Land, there's some other smaller cities, but that's the Fort Bend County area is where we're targeting. And our focus is actually going to be all things investment, property management, helping flippers flip houses out there, as well as coming up with some creative solutions for homeowners out there that are either distressed or just need help deciding what changes and moves they want to make with their properties, whether that be the homes that they live in or their rental properties. So I'm super excited. I will have more details to come, but if you know any peeps out there in the Fort Bend County area of the Houston area, definitely tag them below or send them our contact information. We'd love to help them if they have any real estate needs now or in the future. And so I'll just be talking more and more as 2019 approaches as to what our plan is and what our niche is going to be in that particular market. I hope you guys have an amazing week. Don't work too hard. And if you need me, as always, we're here. You can comment, you can private message me, or you can go to our website, kingrealtytx.com. We're on Twitter and Instagram at kingrealtydfw. And don't forget our YouTube channel, which is youtube.com/kingrealtytx. So have a great rest of the week, and I will talk to you later.